Let's take a quick look at the iwoly C150 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This lightweight stick vacuum offers impressive features for convenient home cleaning. What I really like is the 18,000 PA suction power combined with a detachable 2200 milliamp battery for up to 35 minutes of runtime. The pros are the 3 adjustable suction modes, the LED motorized brush head for effective cleaning on various surfaces, and the versatile design that converts to a handheld vacuum. It also features a HEPA filtration system and comes with multiple attachments for different cleaning tasks. The only con is that the dust bin might require frequent emptying during larger cleaning jobs. Overall, I'm impressed by how this iwoly C150 combines powerful suction with cordless convenience in a lightweight package. Whether you need quick cleanups or whole house vacuuming, this model offers great versatility at an affordable price. Click the link in the description to bring home this efficient iwoly C150 cordless vacuum and make your cleaning routine easier.